Are you overwhelmed by all the tech options out there? Worried you'll miss out on the best tools to grow your business? Let's break down the essentials you actually need to expand in 2025. Let's start with your foundation platforms for hosting and websites. If you want a professional online presence, check out user-friendly options like Wix, Squarespace, or Shopify for e-commerce. They make building a site drag and drop simple and handle security and updates for you so you can focus on your business. Next up, you need to be found. That's where SEO and marketing tools come in. Tools like SEMrush or Moz help you rank higher in search results by finding the right keywords and tracking your competition. Pair these with email marketing platforms like MailChimp or Brevo to reach your customers directly without blowing your budget. Now let's talk social media. Managing multiple platforms can be a headache, but tools like Buffer or Hootsuite let you schedule posts, track engagement, and stay visible without living online 24/7. These dashboards put all your channels in one place, so you can post smarter, not harder. And don't forget about your finances. Tools like QuickBooks, FreshBooks, or Wave make invoicing, tracking expenses, and managing your cash flow almost automatic. They're designed for non-accountants, so you always know where your money's going, no stress. So whether you're just starting out or looking to level up, these digital resources are essential for your business toolkit in 2025. What tool can't you live without? Drop it in the comments.